Hello everybody. In the current affairs this week, the week ended 22nd of March 2026. The Iran war has completed now 3 weeks. This week, the war took a turn which was very unfortunate and economically damaging the whole world. Oil production and processing facilities, port infrastructure, pipelines and storage facilities of crude oil has been attacked on both the sides. Ras Laffan gas field, which is the world's largest LNG hub, has come under a severe attack. This will lead to 20% of the global LNG supply being out of the market for another 3 to 5 years. This is a very unfortunate situation, and this will lead to not just increased prices of crude and LNG across the world, but also supply disruptions. The entire globe and India would get impacted economically. Gold and silver, as we all know, are considered to be investments at the times when people are looking at uncertain future. And yes, it was for that reason gold and silver rallied very strongly. But the interesting piece is that from the start of the Iran war, the price of gold in India, which was 1,67,000 rupees for 10 grams, went down to 1,47,000, which is a decline of 20,000 rupees in 3 weeks. Silver also corrected at 1 kg silver, which was at the start of the war at 2,89,000, came down to 2,32,000, which was a correction of 57,000 rupees in 3 weeks of war. Investments in gold and silver are made for the times of crisis. But when this crisis actually emerged, there has been a profit taking in these metals. But the fact remains that we are looking at an uncertain world, and gold and silver shall definitely remain strong. The Indian stock market ended mildly in a negative tone, but during the week there were sharp swings in which on one day the market declined by more than 3%, and there were mild gains on certain other days of the week, which led to the ending of the week by and large with zero change. FIIs continued to be sellers of more than 29,000 crores of Indian equities, and DIIs balanced it out by their purchases. On the commodity front, Brent crude in international market reached a level of $112 to a barrel, which was an appreciation of 8.77% in just 1 week. Gold and silver declined in India. Gold declined by 7% and silver declined by more than 10% in this week. Copper declined by 5% in the international market for the reason that global growth will get impacted on account of this war scenario. Indian rupee continues to become weaker vis-a-vis the foreign currencies, especially the US dollar, and it ended at 93 rupees and 69 paisa to a dollar from 92 rupees and 54 paisa, which is a depreciation of 1 rupee and 24 paisa in just 1 week. As far as the global markets are concerned, Nasdaq declined by more than 2% and S&P 500 declined by 1.87%. MSCI South Korea, despite a decline in the global stock markets, was up by more than 5%. The entire world is gravitating slowly but surely towards a new geopolitical and economic order. India will emerge as a dominant player despite short-term challenges on the energy and the currency front. That is all for this week. Thank you.